The history of data science, machine learning, and artificial intelligence is long, but it is only recently that technology companies, both startups and tech giants across the globe, have begun to get excited about it. Why? Because now it works. With the arrival of cloud computing and multi-core machines, we have enough compute capacity at our disposal to churn large volumes of data and dig out the hidden patterns contained in these mountains of data. This technology comes in handy, especially when handling big data. Today, companies collect and accumulate data at massive, unmanageable rates for website clicks, credit card transactions, GPS trails, social media interactions, and so on. And it is becoming a challenge to process all the valuable information and use it in a meaningful way. This is where machine learning algorithms come into the picture. These algorithms use all the collected past data to learn patterns and predict results or insights that help us make better decisions backed by actual analysis. You may have experienced various examples of machine learning in your daily lives. In some cases, you may not even realize it. Take, for example, credit scoring, which helps the banks decide whether to grant loans to a particular customer or not based on their credit history, historical loan applications, and so on. Or the latest technological revolution, right from science fiction movies, the self-driving cars, which use computer vision, image processing, and machine learning algorithms to learn from actual drivers' behavior. Or something you may have experienced firsthand, Amazon's recommendation engine, which recommends products based on buying patterns of millions of consumers. In all these examples, machine learning is used to build models from historical data to forecast the future events with an acceptable level of reliability. This concept is known as predictive analytics. To get more accuracy in the analysis, we can also combine machine learning with the other techniques such as data mining or statistical modeling. This progress in the field of machine learning is great news for the tech industry and humanity in general. But the downside is that there aren't enough data scientists or machine learning engineers who understand these complex topics. Well, what if there was an easy way to use a web service in the cloud which could do most of the heavy lifting for us? What if it scaled dynamically based on our data volume and velocity? The answer is the new cloud service from Microsoft called Azure Machine Learning. Azure Machine Learning is a cloud-based data science and machine learning service which is easy to use and is robust and scalable like other Azure cloud services. It provides visual and collaborative tools to create a predictive model which will be ready to consume on web services without worrying about the hardware or the virtual machines which perform the calculations. The advantage of Azure Machine Learning is that it provides a UI-based interface and predefined algorithms that can be used to create a training model. And it also supports various programming and scripting languages like R and Python. In this course, we will discuss Azure Machine Learning in detail. You will learn what features it provides and how it is used. We will explore how to process some real-world datasets and find some patterns in that dataset. Do you know what it takes to build a sophisticated machine learning model in the cloud? How to expose this model in the form of web services? Do you know how you can share your machine learning models with non-technical knowledge workers and hand them the power of data analysis? These are some of the fundamental problems data scientists and engineers struggle with on a daily basis. This course teaches you how to design, deploy, configure, and manage your machine learning models with Azure Machine Learning. The course will start with an introduction to the Azure Machine Learning toolset and features provided by it, and then dive deeper into building some machine learning models based on some real-world problems. If you're serious about building scalable, flexible, powerful machine learning models in the cloud, then this course is for you. These data science skills are in great demand. but there is no easy way to acquire this knowledge. Rather than rely on hit and trial method, this course will provide you with all the information you need to get started with your machine learning projects. Startups and technology companies pay big bucks for experience and skills in these technologies. They demand data science and cloud engineers to make sense of their dormant data collected on their servers. And in turn, you can demand top dollar for your abilities. Do you want to be highly sought after? Do you want your career to touch cloud 9? Did you say absolutely to that question? If so, then our new training program, Machine Learning in the Cloud with Azure Machine Learning, is for you. My name is Manoj Agarwal, founder and lead instructor at tetratutorials.com. We have been in the software industry for more than 2 decades. We have been part of many prestigious projects and startups. Over this span, we have gained great insight into what makes for flexible, scalable, and robust software solutions. We are passionate about sharing all our collective knowledge with you. In this course, Machine Learning in the Cloud with Azure Machine Learning, you will get an in-depth look at how to utilize Azure Machine Learning toolset for building your data science models. You may be a data science veteran or an enthusiast. If you invest your time and bring an eagerness to learn, we guarantee you real, actionable education at a fraction of the cost you can demand as a data science engineer or a consultant. We are confident your investment will come back to you manifold in no time. So, if you're ready to make a change and learn how to build some cool machine learning models in the cloud, click the Add to Cart button below. Still not convinced? Fine. What if I told you that you risk nothing by purchasing Machine Learning in the Cloud with Azure Machine Learning? The course comes with our unconditional 30-day money-back guarantee. If you feel this course doesn't meet your needs, you just need to message us and we'll immediately refund your money. No questions asked, no hoops to jump through, and no hard feelings. Look, if you're serious about becoming an expert data engineer and generating a great income for you and your family, it's time to take action. Imagine getting that promotion which you have been promised for the last 2 presidential terms. Imagine getting chased by recruiters looking for skilled and experienced engineers by companies that are desperately seeking help. We call those good problems to have. Imagine getting a massive bump in your income because of your newly acquired in-demand skills. That's what we want for you. If that's what you want for yourself, click the Add to Cart button below and get started today with our Machine Learning in the Cloud with Azure Machine Learning. Let's do this together.